Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Showpad adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Showpad account. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Here, you will find options related to account security, including the two-factor authentication feature. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via an authenticator app or SMS. Follow the instructions to link your method and complete the setup process. After completing these steps, your Showpad account will be secured with two-factor authentication, providing an added layer of protection. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.